Toby Paterson, regional economist for Northwest Washington. Welcome to the Labor Market Minute. I'm going to talk briefly about Snohomish County and the labor market situation there. Employers in Snohomish County added 3,100 jobs during April, led by professional and business services, up 1,100 jobs, and leisure and hospitality, up another 1,100 jobs. The unemployment rate for the county increased little to 5.1% from 5.0%. Aerospace, products, and parts manufacturing was up 400 jobs over the month. The over-the-year job count lags behind last year by 2,500 jobs, mainly dragged down by other services, behind 2,900 jobs, and trade, transportation, and utilities behind 1,400 jobs. And aerospace, product, and part manufacturing buoyed the over-the-year job count, coming in with 1,000 jobs above last year. Thanks for watching the Labor Market Minute. I'm Toby Paterson, Northwest Regional Economist.